Hello friends, today we will talk about how to remove unwanted spaces in Excel. There are two different kind of space character. One is regular space character and the other one is non-breaking space character. Now when these space characters mix with numbers, then we can't do normal functional operation like sum, subtraction or any kind of data analytics work because these numbers turns into a text character. Now let us see the first one, how to remove regular space character. So here you can see I have some spaces before this number. Here you can see I have some spaces after this number. So now to remove such spaces with numbers, we use trim function, which is used to remove spaces before or after anything. So I am using trim function, trim, and then I will give this text, enter. So now all these spaces will get removed, but here you can see I am not getting sum. If I use sum function and then select this range, I won't get anything because these are text. Now if I use the same sum function over here and then select this range, this is again giving me 0 because though I have removed the spaces with trim function, this is still a text. So to convert a text to a number, I will simply add 0 and now this text will get converted to number. As you can see, now this has come in the right side, and now I will paste this formula and now you can see I am getting addition. So now this text has been converted to a number. Now this text was with regular space character. Now let us see how to remove non-breaking space character. I am just deleting this. We should know what is non-breaking space character. So I am just now showing you the definition of non-breaking space character. Non-breaking spaces are character in HTML. It is used to make two words stick together at the end of a line in HTML. In case you use a string in Excel which is copied from HTML based source, it is likely that you would come across non-breaking spaces. So this data has been sent by some vendor and the source was HTML document and it is directly copied in Excel. So you can see here we have spaces, you can see, and these non-breaking space character appears very similar to regular space character. Just by seeing, you can't say that this is non-breaking space character. So now I am again using the same trim function, trim this text, and then I will add 0 as I did earlier. But I am getting value error. Okay, I am removing 0 addition and now I am getting the number, fine. And now I will use sum function over it, sum, but I am again getting 0. Let us see what's the issue. I am copying this as values, so Alt ESV, enter. So now you can see this space has not yet been removed. So by using trim function, we can't remove non-breaking space character. Okay, so we need to use some different approach to get over this issue. So I am using substitute function. Substitute function takes a text and within this text it takes a part of the text and then convert it to new text. So I will select this one, this is my text and my old text. So my old text will be char 160. I will explain you why I am using char 160, CHAR, and then bracket 160. this character in Excel is for non-breaking space. So I will remove this non-breaking space with comma nothing. So double quote, and then I will close the bracket and then enter. So now I have again got my numbers, and now if I copy this, Control C, and paste it as values, now there is no preceding spaces over here. Okay, so I am now deleting this value. Now I am adding it some this range, enter, but I am getting 0 because this is still a text which I explained you earlier. So I will add 0 to it and it will become a number, and now I will paste this formula. Now I am getting the sum. This is how you remove unwanted spaces in Excel. If it is a regular space character, you can use trim function, and if it is non-breaking space character, you can use substitute function. Hope you like this video. Bye and have a nice day.